Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I am a full-time trader by profession. So I have started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis on the stock markets of USA, UK and Canada. I also share my daily analysis on the currency pairs like Euro USD, USD Japanese and GBP JPY, GBP USD and many more. So in this video I'll be analyzing the chart of British Pound Japanese Yen for 17th March 2021. So this analysis is for 17th March only. I'll be coming back tomorrow again with the analysis for 18th March. So and please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. So we can see that right now market is trading at 151.21. Okay, and the good news is that it's a trending market. As I always say, it is easier to trade on a trending market, and while the market is in uptrend, we just need to find the area of value. And where do we get the area of value? We get the area of value near the support. Okay, and here we can see that the support is the 50 moving average. You can see here in the S1 section I have mentioned 50 MA. Okay, and right now market is just taking support at the 50 MA. Okay, and you, if you zoom in, you can see that market is also getting a small price rejection from below. Okay, so that this is, and stochastic RSI is also in the oversold zone. Okay, you can see, so it's a perfect the it's the perfect place to grab the asset. Okay, so if you ask me, and right now market is in the perfect place to grab. Okay, because it is taking support at the 50 moving average. So in an uptrend market like this, you always need to follow a simple strategy like this only. Even if something goes wrong with the trade also, okay, even if something goes wrong, then at least you will be making money in at least 7 trades out of 10. Okay, so one or two trade may go wrong, but in the long run you will be making good money. Okay, so right now the market is in good position to grab it. Okay, so simple. Right now market is trading at 151.23 level. Okay, so this is the setup that we need to look for in an uptrend market like this. Okay, market is respecting the support, taking support at the 50 moving average, price rejection from below. Market is also in oversold zone and ready to go up. So this is the spot that you can buy right now. Okay, so this is it. Hopefully you have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis, and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. Thank you so much, and do not forget to subscribe. See you tomorrow. Good luck. Bye bye.